Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can create a project parameter in Revit and what project parameter is and how we can use that one and why we should use project parameter. So first of all, what is project parameter? So project parameters are the parameters which we can create and use inside one single project. It cannot be transferred for another projects or the families as well. So for example, if you are creating a project parameter that will be used for specific elements only. Okay, it cannot be transferred to another elements and not to be tagged as well. So please make sure that if you are creating a project parameter, it will not be able, you will not be able to tag that parameter value for that element. Okay, but there is one advantage of using project parameters are that we can use those parameters for our scheduling. Okay, so if you are creating your schedule, you can add the project parameters right there, but you will not be able to tag the elements based on your project parameter. So let's start how we can create a project parameter. So right now I just created, kind of three elements: ducts, cable trays, and pipes. Definitely you can use multiple elements, whether it is air terminal, electrical equipments, or whatsoever you want to create. But right now, what I'll do is that I'll create a project parameter and I'll assign that parameter to a specific category, whether pipe, duct, or cable tray, and then we'll see how it'll impact the other services as well. Okay. So to create a project parameter, I'll go in Manage tab right here, and there will be a symbol right here. You can see it's project parameters. I'll click on that one. This kind of dialog box will be opened. There will be different tabs. Either you can delete the parameter, you can add the parameter based on the service from cloud, and you can create a new parameter, and also you can add it the parameter. Okay. Right now we'll be creating a parameter. So I'll click on this new parameter icon. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Right here we are having two options: project parameter and shared parameter. Definitely you can create a shared parameter, and after than that you can add that shared parameter as project parameter inside the project, but it is a shared parameter, so we can tag that one. We can transfer the parameter for multiple projects as well and multiple families as well, and additionally we can tag the shared parameter as well. But right now in this particular video we'll be discussing about project parameter only. Okay, so I'll click on project parameter icon right here. That is already selected. Now right here we can see instance or type parameter as well option. We are going for instance. I guess you know what instance are and type are, but let me brief you a little bit. Instance parameter means we can change the value for each and every instance of the elements. For example, you are drawing five ducts, and if the parameter is instance, it will be able to see the parameter in the properties, and you will be able to add it the value for each five one by one. Okay, so it means if you are changing one parameter value, instance parameter value for one duct, it will not have any impact on remaining four. Okay, but if you are going for type, so it will go, the parameter will be visible in edit type. Okay, and right there if you are changing any kind of value in type parameter, it will be reflected on same kind of instances in all the locations. For example, if you are having five locations and you are changing at one and your type parameter is right there, that means all remaining four will be having the same value. Okay, right now I'm going for instance parameter right here, and now let me create one parameter. Let's go for service. Okay, serving room. Let's go like that. And I'm creating this one for duct, but discipline I'm going for common. That's fine. And data type I'm going for text. Okay, you can choose which kind of parameter you are creating. It depends on your parameter name and parameter use only. Like you are using that one as text parameter so that you can type something right there, or it's a number parameter. Like you can go for integer and number parameter as well, but you can choose that one for which thing you are creating that parameter. Right now I'm going for text so that I can type something right there. Under which group means these groups are right here. You can see extents, camera, identity, data, phasing. These are the groups. Okay, so under text group I'm keeping it. You can change that one based on your requirements. Okay, Right now I'm going for instance. Now right here at the right side you can see the categories. For which category you want to do apply this parameter. So right now I'm going for ducts only. So let me go for ducts. Please make sure I'm not going for piping and not going for cable trays. So this parameter, serving per room parameter, will be visible for ducts only. Okay, I'll click on OK. Now you can see right here, this parameter is right here. I'll click on OK again. As I clicked on OK, if I'll select the duct, you'll be able to see that parameter under text group. So let me see where is my text group. Okay, let me see my system code. Okay. Okay, it got hanged. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Yeah, okay. So if I'll scroll up a little bit, yeah, it's right here. If you can see, this is the text group. Under that one, I can see my parameter, serving room. I can type whatsoever I want to type. So for example, this is toilet, toilet room. Okay, it means my this particular duct is serving in toilet room. So I have selected this one. I have given the serving room as toilet room, but I did not select this one. So if I'll select this one, I did not see any value right here. Okay, so I can give different value for this particular duct as well. So let me go for bedroom. Okay, I can assign like that because this is my instance parameter. But if I'll select the pipe, I'll not be able to see that what we can say that parameter because I did not assign the parameter for the pipes. That is why I'll not be able to see that parameter right here in the properties. Again, if I'll go in the layout for tagging part as well, let me go for mechanical right here. Okay, cable tray is not visible. Let me see why. It's hidden. So let me turn it on. Perfect. So if I'll press TG command, let me go inside the tag family, click on edit family. I'll not be able to see that parameter right here, serving room parameter. Okay, let's see. Because the project, as I mentioned, project parameters cannot be used for tagging. Okay, now let me change this one. Click on edit label right here. If I'll see, that was serving, right? Serving room. So if I'll press S command, you can see right here that parameter is not right. If I'll click on this one, I cannot see any kind of parameter type of project parameter, right? It is just showing me shared parameters. So it means for tagging, I can only use the shared parameters, not the project parameters. Okay. So let me close this one. Let me come back for the layout and then we'll discuss how we can use the same parameter for scheduling. So right here in the project browser, I'll click on schedules part right here, right click on that one, click on new schedules and quantities. Let me go for schedules, duct schedules, click on ducts, click on OK. This kind of dialog box will be open. Now right here, if I'll press S command for serving room, you can see right here the parameters right here. Okay. So let me go for some things like let me go for serving room at the first place, then let me go for system type. Okay, let me go like that. Okay, click on OK. So I have two ducts right now, so it'll show me two ducts. These are supplier ducts. One is serving in bedroom and one is serving in toilet room. So that is how we can use the project parameters for a scheduling part, but not for tagging. So I hope you get the idea how we can, create a project parameter and how we can use that one. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.